are given two equations. X plus y equals 5. X squared plus y squared equals 13. We can solve these equations simultaneously to find the values of x and y. First, let's square the first equation. X plus y squared equals 5 squared. X squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals 25. Now, we can substitute the second equation into this equation. 13 plus 2xy equals 25. Subtracting 13 from both sides. 2xy equals 12. Dividing both sides by 2. xy equals 6. Now, we can use the first equation to express y in terms of x. Y equals 5 minus x. Substituting this expression into the equation xy equals 6. X, 5 minus x, equals 6. Expanding and rearranging. 5x minus x squared equals 6. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Factoring the quadratic equation.
Thank you for watching.
X minus 2, x minus 3, equals 0. This gives us two possible values for x. X equals 2 or x equals 3. Substituting these values back into the first equation, we get, if x equals 2, then y equals 5 minus 2 equals 3. If x equals 3, then y equals 5 minus 3 equals 2. Therefore, the solutions to the equations are x equals 2, y equals 3, or x equals 3, y equals 2.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.